In this video, you'll learn about the pros and cons of the Miele dual fuel 48-inch Pro range and whether or not it's right for you. Let's get started. Miele's M-Touch controls are one of the best guided cooking programs in the industry. They're just incredibly user-friendly. You input the food and how you want it cooked. Miele will calculate time and temperature. The steam assist functionality allows you to bake bread automatically. More importantly, steam and moisture will add flavor to your roasts, which can be dried out in the dryer electric oven. Now, steam assist is not like a full steam oven where you're cooking completely with steam. This is just to add moisture, whereas a steam oven will leave food juicy and more flavorful. Thermador and SKS have steam ovens and their 48-inch dual fuel Pro ranges. Instead of a small single convection oven like most brands, you have a speed oven in the Miele. Speed ovens can cook like a microwave or a convection oven or both simultaneously. You'll save you time when reheating or cooking your food. You won't have the rubbery texture of a microwave. Below the speed oven, you have a warming drawer. Warming drawers allow you to cook and then keep food warm for up to 3 hours without dehydrating it like you would in your microwave. It's great if you cook and then serve at different times. Lastly, Miele is extremely easy to clean. The grates are dishwasher-safe, and the racks can stay in your oven even during the self-cleaning cycle. Overall, you have a range that allows you to cook differently while making the technology simple to use. The front burners are decent at 19,500, but the back burners are underpowered, with two at only 10,000 BTU and one at 13,600. That might matter depending on how you cook and how many burners you use. You only have two different models for the Miele 48-inch Pro range, an 8-burner or 6 burners in a griddle. Thermador and SKS will offer induction module options on their cooktops, which are faster than any gas. You can also have grill and French top options. French tops give you the ability to cook many items and many different temperatures on Wolf and Blue Star. Blue Star has 1,000 colors and 10 trim packages for a unique range, while even arch rival Wolf will have black and white. Miele is only available in stainless steel. Click here to watch our video about the best 48-inch dual fuel ranges, and thanks for watching.